love that! Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the map. Super! Absolutely! We all love your train set. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the water slide. We're near the pig farm. Let's go. Left leads to we're near the pig farm. Let's go. Oh no, some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag the... Well done! Great, thanks a lot for your help. Where to now? Right leads to, next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Right leads to, next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Left leads to, Tidmouth Sheds. Forward leads, next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Excellent. That's perfect. Just spin the wheel to rotate the track. Thanks for helping out. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to Brendam Docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Well done! Great! That was off the rails! I love that! Where to now? Forward, let's go to the big bridge. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. We all love your train set. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Which way do you want to go? Right, we're near the pig farm. Let's go. Right leads to the boulder. We're near the pig farm. Let's go. Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help? Well done! Absolutely! We all love your train set. Where to now? Forward leads to... Right leads to Knapford. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Forward leads to... Next stop, Cannonball Curve. That's perfect. Just slice or tap it to open. Left leads to Cannonball. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. What type of wagon should we pull? Excellent. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to... Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep... Well done! Excellent! That was super cool! Good job! Where to now? Right leads to the next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. That's the way. Good job. That was off the rails. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to Knapford Station's just ahead. Right leads to the Love. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Forward leads to Knapford Station's just ahead. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching... Well done! We're always happy to help. Where to now? Left leads to... Forward leads to Cannonball Curve. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Well Well done! Super! We all love your train set.